So here I am. It is January, I don't even know what day it is. January something, 2016. And as you probably all should know, we're having a blizzard in the Northeast United States. And here I am outside. It's a wonderful blizzardy day. Here's my car. At least I don't have to brush my car off. Ooh. It's just a light dusting, right? So this is my stairway that I have to shovel. Oh my god. And as you can see, whoa! It's just swallowed my whole leg. Oh my god. Oh god. This is a little bit more than a light dusting, I would say. Oh my god. My leg is covered! How am I supposed to do anything? You expect me to shovel all this? Alright, I think you can stop with the snow now. You can stop! Stop it! Just stop. Well, I guess it didn't listen. It didn't stop. Whew. I haven't seen this much snow in a while. Like, look at this fence. It's like probably, I don't know, 6 feet high, and it's like halfway covered. And you're probably all asking yourself, why, Chris, are you out in this? You know why? I like to live life on the edge and experience life in all its excitement and walk in snowdrifts that are half the height of my body. Yeah. Lots of fun. I feel like I'm in Star Wars on the planet Hoth. Maybe Han Solo will come and rescue me. Or maybe it can be spring already. Please? Okay, we're in the clear. Oh, just kidding. Another snowdrift. I don't know how far I'm gonna get, guys. But if you find me out here frozen, then just know I died living life to its fullest. Ugh! This is a good workout. Like, you can just walk in one of these snowdrifts and, you know, burn a lot of calories. Ugh! I can't even move. It's like up to my waist. Okay, let's sign off for now. Alright, we made it out of the snowdrifts. I'm not really prepared for this. I don't have any snow pants. Why do people think this stuff is fun? Why do people like this? I don't understand. Why? Why do people think, oh, yay, 3 feet of snow. Oh, I can't wait. I'm gonna be stuck in my house for days. I love snow. Just kidding. I really don't. Why am I even out here? It's so windy, I can barely see. I don't get lost. On the way back to my house, my phone is probably like, why are you having me out right now? Who am I even talking to? I think the cold's getting to my head. Whew, it's really cold. I had my hand out for like a minute and it's already like freezing. Ooh, ooh, it's cold. Here we are again, outside in the cold and snow and all the drifts you can see. It's quite breezy out right now. I would appreciate if the temperature was maybe a bit warmer. The wind wasn't so crazy and snowy. Why am I out here again? Oh, that's why. This video. It like stings my face. Ow! Alright, Snow, you need to slow your roll. You're killing my vibes. Ugh. 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 I don't think coming out here is a very smart idea. I don't enjoy winter very much, you guys. isn't very fun. Why did I come out here? I'm exhausted. And I'm only like 10 feet from my house. It needs to be summer. Like, how is this enjoyable? Why am I out here? I think the cold's getting in my head and my legs are frozen. But hey, at least my car doesn't need to be brushed off. The wind's doing it for me. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Blech. Well guys, I'm back inside. I was only out there for like 10 minutes and my phone, it was fully charged, but it was like the battery died. So I guess my phone was just like, nope, you're not staying out here any longer. So yeah, it's pretty bad out there. So I hope you all are staying inside, staying warm, stay safe. You really shouldn't be out there right now. It's not very fun. It's not very safe. I don't really know how anybody can really enjoy this kind of weather. Like, what do you like about this weather? What's fun about it? It's really not fun. It's very uncomfortable. And it like hurt to breathe. I was like going back to my house. I'm like, it hurts to breathe. I almost died. Just kidding. I didn't. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of snow. What do you like about it? Do you hate it? Do you love it? What do you love about it? What do you hate about it? Let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching. Don't mind my hair. I've just been a bum this weekend during this blizzard because there's really nothing to do outside. I can't go anywhere. The roads aren't even plowed. I don't know how long I'm gonna be stuck here, you guys. Alright, I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go watch a movie or something. Camera Kid 92 signing out.